How's it going? This is Ryan with the GymClick Automotive team, and we're here today to talk about the accessories we installed in this 2023 F-150 XLT. This Avalanche F-150 was leveled with a Traxda 2.5-inch leveling kit. Traxda is located right here in Tucson, Arizona. We then installed 20-inch RTR EVO 6 wheels and a positive 35mm offset to allow us to pack in the 35-inch Toyo Open Country AT tire. We also installed the very popular BAKFlip G2 hard folding tonneau cover. To open it up, you pull this wire right here and it flips right over. Flips right over. And then the last fold goes up against the back window. So if you ever need to use your whole bed, you have access to it. Then to fix it against the back window, you take these stands, pop them right in there, tighten that down, and now you can drive and have full access to your bed. This truck is available for sale here at GymClick Ford. Stay tuned for future builds done here at GymClick Customs.